Hoi, I'm mong le Andy say. Brekhe tong pai. Hello, my name is Andy. How are you? Let's talk about the Kaubru language. Bru, also known as Kaubru or Riang, is a language belonging to the Tibeto-Burman branch of the Sino-Tibetan language family. It is mainly spoken by the Bru or Riang people in the northeastern Indian states of Tripura, Mizoram, and Assam, as well as in parts of the Chittagong Hill Tracts in Bangladesh. There are approximately 400,000 speakers of the language across India and Bangladesh. While Bru is traditionally an oral language without a native script, speakers have recently adopted the Roman script for writing, especially in Christian literature, education, and communication. In some regions, the Bengali script is also used due to regional influence. With increased migration and contact with other communities, many younger Bru now speak Bengali, Mizo, or Hindi more fluently than their native tongue, putting the language at risk of endangerment. Efforts by Bru organizations and churches have encouraged preservation through music, Bible translations, and community-based language education. The Bru people, also called Riang, are one of the oldest indigenous communities in northeast India and southeastern Bangladesh. In India, they are recognized as a scheduled tribe in Tripura and Mizoram. Traditionally animist, many Bru once worshipped natural deities such as Buraha, Mkusing, Takunoy, and others, whom they believed had power over illness and fate. However, a large number have since converted to Christianity, especially due to evangelism and schooling introduced by the Presbyterian Church in the mid-20th century. The Bru are known for their agricultural lifestyle, practicing shifting cultivation, or jum, and living in small scattered villages. They are skilled in bamboo and cane crafts, and their traditional attire includes colorful hand-woven garments. Women wear a rignay, a wraparound skirt, and risa, a breastcloth, while men often wear loincloths and simple shirts. Music and dance are central to Bru culture, especially during festivals and marriage ceremonies. Hojagiri, a traditional dance performed by women balancing earthen pitchers and lamps on their heads, is a cultural symbol of the Bru people. Their main festivals include Buisu, their New Year festival, and Christmas, which is widely celebrated by the Christian Bru. The community values family, respect for elders, and oral storytelling traditions that preserve their ancestral history and identity. In the next part, let's listen to the beautiful sounds of their language. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights.
Do to bro se yo by bau hala se ake man by mai mar nang se brau chong mai mo by kaham hamya sai mai mo nang se are ong bau keha by keha takhu bukhu ong mo kha phang tuyap nai se.
Numbers.
Keha knoi katham broi ba do sning chai sku chi.
Greetings and phrases.
Hoi phongai kaham saja kaham saroi kaham hor kaham brekhe tongpai angle kaham no nung le bre malaya balu ha ninim mung tma ainim mung le chla kaham se nung mai cha ha de nung broni angle tripura ni se malai mole kaham ong ha kau bruma yode he khak chang ha ang pho ang nung no maya ong wo ang chiyo ang chiya dera thang ha wan shou ye ong mayo maya daim su watu mang kaham football thung nai de mai moi song tong mi de kwa re no thang nai de archa mung snung nai de tini saroyo chire sanai de tini phongayo ma moi bai cha hala moya bai cha ha nung no isor sabori tho.
Vocabulary.
Ang nung bung abo chung nrau brau bo ubo, abo, rowo, uborowo, mpa, ma, bucu, bucoy, taku, buku, besala, besayu, lugo, cela, broy, pal, mastor, satro, mkoi, kunju, kungthai, mkhu, bua, bokro, bakhnai, khnai, mukhang, yau, yakong, soi, bilai, wo, msu, bera, korai, singyoy, tausa, tau, a, khumba, durpa, mphang, blai, bathai, kachau, phanthau bama, kormo, krang, kuphui, kusom, mung, sal, hor, borsi, sal, tal, athukhroi, hor, nokbar, hayung, nokha, toyong, hathai, blong, yaksi, yaukgra, kchar, bai, ongkhe, arong bau ye, kacham, kata, baja.
Sample text.
Wai hale no barbai sayung jera rilaimi. Keplai ku ong ni sei la ye. Ku tai thu ye ke ha bro lama wo hing tong mo brau nu khe. Je abo bro ni ku tai thu mo sko ri mai nai khe. Keplai ku ong yau nain khe kaum solai ha. Akhe abo no bar bini phain tong mo sing bai abo bro hano si bra nai ha. Are pho abo no bar si bra ru le abo lama hing nai ha bini kutai rong chai ru khe ha. Akhe abo no bar abo lama hing nai ha ni kutai sko uri mai ya ye thau mathang ha. Akhe sayung bini somoy so phai khe bung pho abo lama hing tong nai ha no bini chungmo bai kara nai ha. Akhe sra akhe abo lama hing tong nai ha tung playau ye bini kutai masko ha. Akhe abo hakang ni no bar sayung raja ni buskang wo bung chemmo makose ha.
The Lord's Prayer.
O chinik chu hawo tong nai ha apa. Nini mung thar hin ye khari yau tho. Nini ha rowo ong phai si tho. Nini murji baik chu hawo ong mode. Ro hawo pho ong phai si tho. Tining chung no chini salboy ni nang mo chamung no ridi. Akhe beng chini ting deramo chung karmai mode. Chini deramo rau no pho kar khoidi. Akhe chung no hamyama wo taklai sung ridi. Himba hamyama ni chung no tui khodi. Amen.